we are going to learn how to retrieve our WAEC serial number and PIN for checking our result. So what you do is to go to any of the browser. In the search bar, click on waec.org. So send. Now this is what you are going to find, right? Now you can even retrieve your certificate. Whatever you want to do, you can do it here. But this is not why we are here. We are here to retrieve our PIN and serial number and PIN. So click on this search bar at the right top right corner. Then you find this list here: home, how it works, blog, frequently asked questions, and serial number. So click on serial number. We want to retrieve our serial number. Now this is serial number and PIN retrieval system. WAEC digital certificate. Retrieve your examination credentials. Okay, then access your certificates, then recover candidate number. So this is where you go here, fill in your details, enter your details. The first one is examination here, so let's click on exam here. Now if you click on exam here, you see that it's only 2026 that appears here, right? Which means this system is starting from 2026, not 2025. So if you wrote WAEC in 2025, do not use this system to check 2025. So let's click on 2026. You can see that it has appeared. Then examination, select examination. This is WASSCE for school candidates. So you can see that is only for school candidates for now. When GC has been written, then you will find the one for private candidate. So let's click on that. Then candidate number, the 10-digit candidate number. So and then the next one is NIN. So just enter the NIN, enter your NIN here. Then you click on search. Now when you click on search, as you can see here, send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your email. On the email you used to register for the exam, please use it. Here we are using AZ Science TV. This is the official email of AZ Science TV. Then the phone number, this is the official phone number of AZ Science TV. Then send OTP. So OTP will be sent to email. So we'll now go to our email to check. We are going to check. So look at it. We'll check. Okay, yeah. So WAEC information retriever. So your OTP, you requested a one-time password. That's OTP 949622. So we'll go back here, enter OTP. Okay, what's the OTP? The OTP is 949622. So that is 9, enter it, 949622. Then verify OTP. Once you verify OTP, then you are good to go. Your details will appear here. Okay, yes, your PIN and your serial number will appear here. Then you can use the PIN to check your WAEC results. Right, don't forget, I've already made a video on how to check your WAEC results. So just look at it. Just click at the top right hand corner of this video. You will see the video on how to check your WAEC results. All right, so I do hope this video was helpful. Do well to subscribe if you haven't, because more information will be rolling out relevant to all your examinations. Okay, so I wish you all the best for now. Goodbye.